Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, a test was conducted. Most of the students participate in test. Those students did not participate. Today, they will watch the video and try to one times more to solve the questions. Next time, whenever I take your test, so please everyone try to participate in your test. Today, in this video, we are discussing a test which was conducted was yesterday. The first question was find 5 rational number between 4/5 and 9/10. Find 5 rational number between 4/5 and 9/10. Do you remember what I told you? First we will make denominator same. How many number you want to make? 5. Make denominator same. So it is 4/5. Here is denominator is 10. So here is also we will make denominator 10. We can multiply and divide by same number. It is equivalent fraction. In a 6th class we already learned we can multiply and divide by any number by same number. 8/10. So between 8/10 and 9/10. It is very difficult to find. After 8, 9, it is very difficult to find numbers between 8/10 and 9/10. So in this case what we will do, 9/10. We will multiply. First thing we will make denominator same and we will multiply and divide by a big number. Suppose like this one. What is LCM of 5 and 10? 5, 10. 5, 1, 2. What is LCM? 10. LCM is 10. So now we will multiply and divide by a big number which is multiplication of 10. So suppose we are multiply 4, 10, 5 into 10. What is become? 40/50. Now here LCM is 50. In denominator 50. Here also we will make 50. What number you will multiply by 10? Then it is become 50. So 5. 9 multiply by 5. 10 multiply by 5. So 45/50. So how many number between 40/50? 45/50. 41/50. 42/50. 43/50. 44/50. But we want to find how many rational number? 5. Here is only how many? Only 4. So we can multiply again one more big number. Multiply 2, divide by 2. 80/100. Multiply by 2, divide by 2. 90 divided by 100. So now you can write 81/100, 82/100, so on 89/100. So 9 number like this one we can write. Like as it is, we can write infinite number. If you want to write 10 number, so you can multiply here. In place of 10, 100. Here also 100. 100 into 5, 500. So what number you multiply by 10 become 550. Multiply 50, multiply 50. It's very simple. So always try to make, whenever we want to find rational number between any two number, first we will make denominator is same. Understand? So try again. First exercise based on this one. Understand? Next. Next is the value of Next is the value of 1/11 in decimal form. It is very simple. Divide 1 upon, we have to write answer in decimal form. Yes, 1 is smaller than 11. In place of if 1 is smaller than 11, that's why we will put decimal. Now, one more 0. Again, 10 is smaller than 11, so 0. Again, one more 0. 11, 9, the how much? 99. 1. Again, we will write 11. 1 is smaller than 11, so write 0. So 11, 0, 0. Again, 0. So 11, 9, the 99. How much remain? 1. 1 is smaller than 11, 0. 11, again 10 is less than 11, again 0. One more 0. 11, 9, the. So it is will be continue like this one. So what is repeating? 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9. Every time what is so 1 by 11 become 0.09, 09, 09, 0 dot dot dot, and we can write this means 0.09. What is repeating? 09, 09, 09. So we will write bar. So 0.09 bar. You understand? So like this one we will find in decimal form. And which type of? Non-terminating but recurring. Recurring means repeating. You understand? Next. Represent root 8.3 on number line. On number. It is very important question. Most of the students do write well, but Shubham did not write it well. So look at again how to solve this question. Every time when we represent any number on number line under the root, what is the number? 8.3. So first we will take on a scale by 8.3 line. 8.3. What number is given under the root? We will take a line. Understand? Suppose it is A, it is B. After this one, we extend this line 1 centimeter. In every case, we will extend how much? 1 centimeter. It is C, 1 centimeter. After this, after extending 1 centimeter, we will find the midpoint of AC line. We will find the midpoint of AC line. And how will you find out the midpoint of any line? Open the compass more than half. More than half. Cut one time, cut one more time. Like this one. Here also one time, and find, we join. It is midpoint. Understand? So like this one, we will find the midpoint of AC. Open compass, put the pointer on A and open the compass more than half. So A one line. Same as it is without changing compass. We will cut. So it is join. Suppose it is midpoint. You will join like this one. It is midpoint. After finding midpoint, open compass, put the compass on O and open from O to C or O to A. O to A and draw a semicircle like this one. Do you understand? After finding midpoint, we will draw a semicircle. Now, after this one, what number we take is starting 8 point. How much line we will take? 8.3. So what line we take in starting? We will make a 90 degree at the end point. At a end point. What is the end point? A, B. And we will make here 90 degree. You can make 90 degree by compass protractor or compass also. It is 90 degree. And where it is cut, it is become root 8.3. Root 8.3. But we want to represent on number line. What is number line? It is number line. So it's mean we will open, suppose it is M point. Now we will open compass from B to M. And draw an arc like this one. Open compass from B to M and draw a arc. Yes, we know B to M is root 0.83. So it is also, Like this one, we can draw a circle. So it is a radius. So it is from B to and extend this line. So BN. So B to N is root 8.3. Understand? In every case, we will solve like this. Any question is come. Suppose represent 7.9 on number line. Take a number line 7.9. Extend 1 centimeter. Finding midpoint and draw a semicircle. Make 90 degree at end point on starting line. What is it? Is end point. So it is 7.9. After this one, open from here to here, compass and draw an arc like this one. So it is root 7.9. Understand? Next. The fourth question, first part, what is root 5 plus root 2 whole square? I think you can solve easily this one. What is formula? A plus B whole square is first number square plus second number square plus 2AB. Yes, and we already know square of a root number always this one. What is come? A. Square root of a and its square is a, same as it is. First number a square, root 5 square 5 plus b square 2 plus 2 into ab, root 5 multiply root 2. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2, root 10. Whenever base is same, we can multiply. Understand? So 2 10 it is. So we cannot add this one because these are unlike term. Unlike mean different base and different power. Here power 1, here power 1 by 2. So we cannot add. Leave as it is. Understand? Very good. Next is multiple. Second part of fourth. 6 plus root 5. It is very important question and we should remember a formula. A plus B. A plus B. A minus B. Do you understand what is formula? A plus B. A minus B. In 8th class we already learned. If you don't know formula, you can multiply binomial into binomial. It is come in last. A square minus B square. A plus B. A minus B. A square minus B square. So what is A? 6 square 36 minus B square root 5 square 5. Answer is 31. Understand? Root 5 square is root 5 square mean root 5 multiply root 5. Understand? Base is same, power is add. Square root mean power is 1 by 2. 5 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half 1. So it means root 5 into root 5, 5. Next, fifth. Next is rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. What is root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. Rationalize. Most of the students did mistake in these questions. What is meaning of rationalize? Rationalize mean we should remove the square root of denominator. Whose? Of denominator. So how will we rationalize? We can multiply. Look at carefully. Multiply and divide by same number. If we want to rationalize the denominator, we will change the sign of denominator. What is here? Minus. Here we will write plus. If it is here plus, we will write here minus. So minus change sign. Positive. So root 5 plus root 3. By same number multiply and same number divide. देखो √5 plus √3. Nisha, you write here minus, here you write plus. No, we will multiply and divide by same number. Same number. If we write here minus, it is different number because 5 plus 3 or 5 minus 3 both are different number. 5 plus 3 8, 5 minus 3 2, different numbers. So always we will multiply and divide by same number. Now tell me a plus b. देखो a plus b, it is a plus b. Do you understand? And what is become a plus b? A plus b, what is become a plus b whole square. So it is always in numerator become a plus b square or a minus b whole square. And it is formula already you know, a plus b whole square, first number square, a square. A what is √5, √5 square plus b square √3 square. Always remember this formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Most of the students what write? A square plus b square and finish. They did not write 2ab and they write next step. It is wrong. Not a square plus b square. Not only a square and b square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into √5 into. Understand now? A minus b, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. Always beta, in rationalize the denominator, it's this formula is become a minus b, a plus b. That's why we change the sign. Here minus, we plus. A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b formula. A square minus b square. A square √5 square minus √3 square equal to √5 square 5 plus 3 plus 2 into √5 into √3, both are root. So 5 into 3 √15 divide 5 minus 3. Understand? Now I am rubbing this rationalize formula. Next, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 √15 divide by 2. Most of the students write this answer, but we can write one more step. What? One student, I don't remember what is his name. He cut 2 cut by 2. We cannot cut like this one. We are using here this sign, this one. It's mean 2 is dividing 8 also, 2 also. Do you understand? So take common. What is common? 2 common. 4 plus √15. 2. Now 2 cancel 2. What is answer? 4 plus √. Understand? Next is find value 343 to the power 1 by 3. Yes, we want to find its value. It's mean, how can you find? If I write here 7 square, you can find easily 7 into 7. If I write 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7 very easily. But here power is 1 by 3. It's mean we should remove this denominator 3. And 3 how can you remove? If we write here 3, 6, 9, any number, with 3 cancel 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, like this one. So we will, so how can we write? So it's mean our, first we will remove 1, we will remove 3. How can you remove? So we will factorize 343. 343 is divided by 7, 49, 7, 7. It means it is become 343 is 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Yes. When our base is same in multiplication, power is add 1, 2, 3. So 7 cube power 1 by 3. It's become 7 and we know it is formula a to the power m and again power n. Whenever 2 times power, we multiply power. A m multiply n. So 3 multiply 1 by 3. 3 cancel 3. What is remain? 7 raised to the power. What is answer? 7. Very simple. Always we will remove the what is given in the power 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by. We will factorize this number and then we will write. Next. Most of the students write this question is wrong. 9 raised to the power 1 by 3 multiply 27 minus 1 by 2 and 3 to the power 1 by 6 and 3 raised to the power 1 by 3. It is very simple. Here is multiply, here is dividing. In dividing, in multiplication, base is same. Base is same. In multiply, base is same. Then power is add. Everyone know formula. In multiplication, in divide, base is same. Power is subtract. So first we will make, देखो, first we will make base is same. 9 what we can write? 9 3 square. This means 3 square 1 by 3 multiply 27 what you can write? 3 raised to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 divide 3 raised to the power 1 by 6 into 3 raised, and we know in denominator already base is same, power is add. 3 1 by 6 add minus 2 by 3. Do you understand? Because what is sign? Minus. Next, 3 2 multiply 1 by 3 2 by 3 multiply 3 3 into 1 minus 3 by 2 divide by, what is LCM? You can add separately also if you want to. 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3. LCM 6. 1 minus 4. So it is minus 3 by 6. Next. It is when base is same, power is add. So 3 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 divide 3. We can get 3 ones are 3, 3 2. 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. Next, base, take LCM. What is LCM? 6. 4 minus 9 divide by 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. What is become? 3 raised to the power minus 5 by 6 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Base is same, power is subtract. Otherwise, we can use this formula a raised to the power m 1 by m. Whenever numerator goes in denominator, power sign of power is change. So this one on gone numerator. So 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 divide by, it is positive 3 raised to the power 5 by 6. In division, base is same, power is subtract 3 1 by 2 minus 5 by 6. You can find, and it is answer. Very simple. Make the base is same, subtract or adding the power. Understand? Very good. Next. One more question. I give this question was given to you for your homework, and some students asked me, it is root 5 minus root 3 x, root 5 plus root 3 and y equal to root 5 plus root 3 root 5 minus root 3. Find x square plus y square. Do you understand? Find x square plus y square. So what we will do? First we will find value of x and take its square and adding in y square. So for x, what is x? So first what is formula? Always beta in whenever in denominator root is given, we will remove root. And how can we remove the root? Multiply and divide by same number. Rationalize the denominator. What number? Change the sign of denominator. Here is positive, negative. Root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3. Same number. Now it is formula a minus b. A minus b. A minus b. A minus b. What did it become? A minus b whole square. And a minus b whole square, everyone know formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square, what is number a square? A 5 plus b square plus 3 minus 2ab. 2 into a root 5, b root 3. Root 5 into root 3 root 15. Next is a plus b. A minus b. What is a plus b? A minus b. Formula a square minus b square. So it means a square 5. Root 5 square 5 minus root 3 square 3. This one. Understand? Next. So what is value of x? X is 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 root 15 divide by 2. This question we already discussed. Now 2 take common. So 2 is common. 4 minus root 15 divide by 2. 2 cancel 2. So x equal to 4 minus root 15. We convert x in 4 minus root 15. And what is given? X square. X square. So taking square root both side. Sorry, square both side. And now whole square. Yes, x square we want to find. So x square equal to, it is formula a minus b whole square. A square 4 square 16 plus root 15 square 15 minus 2 into 4 into root 15. So what is x square? 31 minus 8 root 15. Same as it is, we can find y value. Rationalize. Here is minus, multiply root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. And in numerator become root 5 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 3, a plus b square. And if you will find y, so y is come here is 4 minus root 15, y is come 4 plus root 15 and taking square and put here. It is answer. Understand? I am writing direct. What is y? Y is come, when you same as it is you will do. Y is come 4 plus root 15. So I am writing direct value of y square. So y square value is a square plus b square plus 2ab multiply by 4. So y square equal to 31 plus 8 root 15. When x and y both are same, is both are given same, only sign is different. So always one is negative and another is positive. It is put value x square plus y square. X square 31 minus 8 root 15 plus 31 plus 8 root 15. 8 root 15 minus, it is positive. 31 plus 31 60. So this one. Understand? I hope everyone understand these all questions. So again and again you will watch video and try more and more questions. So like this one question, always we will rationalize the denominator. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.